Hello. Nice to meet you. Let me introduce myself properly. My name is Alex. I'm really happy to meet you today. I believe every new meeting is an opportunity to learn something new, share experiences, and build meaningful connections. I'm originally from a small city, but currently I live in a busy urban area. Growing up in a small city taught me the value of simplicity, relationships, and community. At the same time, living in a big city has helped me become more independent, confident, and adaptable. I would describe myself as a curious person. I love learning new things, whether it's about technology, psychology, culture, or languages. I believe learning should never stop. Even a simple conversation with a stranger can teach us something valuable. Academically, I completed my graduation in science, and I have always been interested in understanding how things work. I enjoy analyzing situations, solving problems, and finding practical solutions. I think curiosity is one of the most powerful qualities a person can have. Apart from academics, I am also passionate about communication. I believe communication is not just about speaking. It's about expressing ideas clearly, listening carefully, and understanding different perspectives. That is one reason I practice English regularly. I want to become fluent and confident while speaking to people from different backgrounds. In my free time, I enjoy reading books. Books help me explore different worlds, ideas, and emotions. Some days I read self-improvement books to improve my mindset, and other days I read novels just to relax. Reading improves vocabulary, imagination, and confidence in speaking. I also enjoy creating content online. I like sharing thoughts, motivational ideas, and educational content. Creating content has taught me discipline, creativity, and consistency. It's not always easy, but it's definitely rewarding. One thing I strongly believe in is growth. I believe that every person can improve if they are willing to learn and stay consistent. Growth doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly, through daily effort and patience. If I talk about my personality, I would say I am calm and observant. I prefer listening before speaking. I believe listening helps us understand people better. Everyone has a story, and every story deserves attention. I also try to stay positive. Of course, life has challenges. There are stressful days, failures, and moments of self-doubt. But I think challenges are part of growth. Difficult situations teach us resilience and strength. I value honesty and clarity in relationships. Whether it's friendship or professional interaction, transparency builds trust. I try to express myself clearly and respectfully. In the past, I used to feel nervous while speaking English in front of others. I was afraid of making mistakes. But later I realized that mistakes are part of learning. If we don't speak, we can't improve. So I started practicing daily, speaking slowly, clearly, and confidently. And gradually, I improved. Now I see English not just as a language, but as a tool. A tool to connect globally, access knowledge, and express ideas freely. I also believe in time management. Time is one of the most valuable resources we have. Once it's gone, it never comes back. So I try to plan my day carefully, balancing work, learning, and relaxation. Health is another priority for me. I try to maintain a simple routine: regular sleep, light exercise, and healthy eating. A healthy body supports a focused mind. If you ask me about my long-term goals, I would say I want to become financially independent, intellectually strong, and emotionally balanced. Success for me is not only about money. It's about peace of mind, stability, and continuous growth. I am also interested in understanding human behavior. Why do people think differently? Why do they react differently to similar situations? These questions fascinate me. I believe understanding people makes communication stronger. Traveling is something I would love to do more often. Exploring new places expands perspective. When you visit different cities or countries, you realize how diverse and beautiful the world is. Let me ask you something. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? I believe conversations should be mutual. While I'm introducing myself, I'm also curious to know about you. What are your interests? What motivates you? What challenges are you currently facing? Every person is unique. Different backgrounds, different dreams, different struggles. And that diversity makes life interesting. Sometimes, people think introductions are just formalities. But I believe introductions are powerful. They create first impressions. They open doors to friendships, collaborations, and opportunities. So if I summarize myself in a few words, I would say, I am a learner. I am a dreamer. I am someone who believes in improvement. And I am someone who values meaningful conversations. Before we end this introduction, let me share a simple thought. Life is not about being perfect. It's about being better than yesterday. If we improve just 1% every day, imagine where we will be in a year. Thank you for listening to my introduction. It was really nice meeting you.